Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to do makeup look inspired by Gigi Hadid. So let's go. So I'm starting off with the concealer and I'm putting it in this way to give my face a snatched and uplifted look. I let the concealer sit on my face for a few minutes, and by the time I apply my foundation, I take just a pump of foundation on the back of my hand and then I apply it like this evenly all over my face. Now before blending everything on my face, I use some setting spray. Now very carefully I start blending my foundation and I try not to touch my concealer yet. I am done blending my foundation and now I'll start blending my concealer. I take a lot of time to blend my base really well. I'm spraying some setting spray on my beauty blender and now I'll use this beauty blender to give a nice finish to my base. Now I'll contour my cheeks first and then I'll contour my nose. I use a really small flat brush to contour my nose, and then to blend the contour I use a really small beauty blender. I'm spraying some setting spray on my beauty blender again, and now I'll use this small cute beauty blender to blend out my nose contour. Now I'm going to do my most favorite part, which is eye makeup. I'm taking the darkest shade of brown which I had and I'm putting it on and above the crease. Before putting some golden glitter, I'm going to apply my glitter glue. Now I'll start applying glitter really carefully. If my glitter is going to fall out, I'm going to clean my mess up with a tape. Finishing my eye makeup with some winged liner and mascara. And I'm done. If you liked this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe as I keep posting such content. And thanks for watching my video. See you next time. Bye.